how to make money on people per hour as a resume writer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. And before I proceed to show you how you can make money, first I'm going to explain the platform for you. So guys, People Per Hour is a platform where you can list your skills to be a freelancer. Like this one, if you are a graphic designer, you can list your skills. If you are an interface designer as well, or whatever skill you have, and then people with projects or people with businesses or business owners will come to this platform and search for freelancers, or they can just post projects and then you can apply for these projects, or just you can interact with those clients if they approach you to make a job or to make a project for them. So let's get started first by clicking on the freelancer here to create your account to be a freelancer, and here make sure you are choosing I want to work as a freelancer, and then click on sign up with email, or you can sign up with your Facebook account. And here you enter your information, the usual information, first name, last name, email, password, and so on. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to enter my email and my password as well. And then we will proceed to creating our profile. Login, and here you're almost ready to start selling. You will just need to apply now. It will take less than 3 minutes. So here, this is where you fill the information about your profile. So you will need a profile picture. Make sure to upload a very decent profile picture, like the one you're going to enter in a CV or in a resume. So make sure it's not an animated picture or some group image or something like that. A serious image is what you need. And here you enter your job title, for example, award-winning web developer, or we can just enter resume writer. And here you can enter your skills. The maximum is 15 skills. So let's start with resume writer. Resume CV writing. Let's enter resume. Let's check CV. There's no much is found. Let's go with writing. Content writing, blog, creative, search, web, academic, business, essay, ghost, report, about us. So you have nothing else to enter. Just leave it at resume CV writing, and then you enter about in here your bio. So guys, in order to enter your bio, or in order to get some inspiration about how your bio should be, you just need to go to writing and translation, and here go to resumes and CVs. Then we will check how our competitors are talking about their skills. So here, rewrite your CV within 3 days. Write or rewrite your CV resume in 48 hours. ETS optimized. Let's go with this one, who gets paid $105 per hour. So this is his bio. Let's check that. Plus 200 successful CV, LinkedIn, 200,000 plus successful CV, LinkedIn, and covering letter writing jobs completed on PeoplePerHour as a CV writer, resume writer, covering letters. So this is an example of a bio. As you can see, you can just close this, and we can go to other ones, check the other ones. and we will get a pretty decent understanding of how we can enter our bio. So here, write your CV and cover letter within 3 days. Let's check that as well. And this is his bio, and he started with a question, and that's very intelligent. Tired of rejection? I'll give you the nudge you need to convert your CV so you become unrefusable. I'm Adam, a top cert UK resume writer with 10 years of experience and over 1,500 5-star reviews. So that's another example of a bio. So you can take something from this and from the other ones, and you can build your bio using those. Then you proceed to enter your location and your spoken languages. So let me start with English first, then Arabic, and then French. So here you can enter as many languages as you can speak, and then you enter your hourly rate. So here you can enter your hourly rate based on your competitors. You can see how much they're getting paid, the average everyone is getting paid, and then you can see if the price fits you. Well, if you want, you can drop the prices. You can do whatever you like and whatever suits you. So I think the price in here, the minimum someone gets is $15, and the maximum is $200, $205, $300. So let's enter something between that. Let's go with $100, something like that, and then click on submit application. And then when your profile gets approved, you'll be able to be like one of these sellers. And here guys, when you click on your profile in here, you can post a project if you are a business owner looking for someone to make a project for you. And here you can check your dashboard, but we will need to apply first. And here you will see your profile. You can change or edit your profile in here, and these are the freelancer activity. You can see the money that you gained from there. As you can see, projects with pending proposals, earnings, you can see all of that in here. And you can even find a project in here to apply for. So here there are a lot of projects, and you can find the one that suits you with your skills, and then you can apply for it. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.